Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today we are making a very chocolatey and no flour recipe. So let's see how to make this double chocolate coconut macaroons. This is so simple, very easy to make with very few ingredients. So let's get started. Into a bowl, first add in 3 egg whites. Just you have to whisk it and break down the egg whites. Add in 1 cup of powdered sugar and mix it. Now I am adding some cocoa powder. This is unsweetened cocoa powder. Add some salt and mix it. You can also use dark cocoa powder. Then your cookies will get more darker color. Now let's add in half a cup of melted dark chocolate with few drops of vanilla essence and mix it. Now add in the main ingredient, desiccated coconut. Here I am adding around 2.5 cups. Add this in batches. Mix it well until everything is well combined. Now the mixture is ready. You can use an ice cream scooper to scoop out small portions. Make them into a ball and slightly press it. Now place this on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Now bake this in a 170-degree preheated oven for 15 minutes. Now our delicious coconut macaroons are ready. You can sprinkle some desiccated coconut on top and just enjoy. These macaroons are so soft from inside and have a light crispy texture outside. These are perfect for kids' snack box. Very healthy and very appetizing chocolatey macaroons. So definitely try this recipe at home and give this video a big thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.